had to clear either is it the gutters or the soakaway? Correct?
Yes,
Now, how much would you really pay or spend to clear this soakaways?
Clear soakaways. $6,000. $6,000.
Do you know Modu Enjai?
Modu Enjai. That's my immediate boss. That's my immediate boss.
So you know him very well. Have he ever requested money from you to spend on issues regarding septic tank?
Then septic tank. Wa mom lay wax ni man su légal sax weekend ni su fété su demone daf ma dé call mo wax ma né police moto ba ngay ñew fayal li suma ñëw man la koy adé pay 6,000 moto mom la lay ni he's the very person whom I mentioned here earlier on that sometimes when the soakaways are flooding and it happens in a weekend. Wow. He used to call me to say, now I want you to pre-finance this before the working days. So after whenever he come, he used to refund me the monies. Then I put the monies and I take it to the submission.
Have you ever given him money in any instance? For instance, in a situation where he has to do the payment himself, and you gave him money?
Then mom si bopam musunga ko jox xaliss si loxo am bi pour mom mu def fay bi wala no that has never that has never.
Will you be surprised if Modou is to say that he has received money from you?
Nena mba lol dula jaxal Modou su taxawé fi mu wax né musna jot xaliss si sa loxo no ma bay nena nda lol dula jaxal Modou su taxawé fi no jaxal no I will not be surprised.
Exactly. If he comes here and testify, because we have all your statements.
Nena parce que amna sa statement bi
Modou Njie was investigated.
Nena Modou Njie dañ ko all ñu investigate ko.
Modou Njie gave a statement.
Mom joxe na statement.
And he spoke about the relationship with you.
Nena te wax na sa digante ak mom.
And he explained to the investigator that he sometimes will receive monies from this market masters to spend on this septic tank.
Nena te mom li la waxon ne legole def day jot xaliss sen loxo. And he
mentioned you specifically.
And
sometimes you will give him money for him to hire septic tank. He also mentioned Musa Fall. He also mentioned Ibrahima Jaita. So why will you deny that?
I'm not denying what you are repeating, what Modou Njie have said here.
No, just for correction, he didn't say it in the commission.
All
of you gave statements.
Yes. So what council, what you have revealed that is true?
Because
is money.
Why the
allegation that I have counted monies and handed over to him? No, that is wrong. Always the instructions that is. The instructions given to me, yes, I proceed with the instructions, but I have never ever counted monies and handed over to him.
And you guys will not record these transactions anywhere. But yeah,
that is true. That all these transactions I have never written them down, but only him who used to go to council and record them. But for me,
and you guys will be now requesting for a refund. Yes.
Wow. Yes, whenever he comes, he refers us.
On several occasions, Mr. Njie will request for $30,000. $65,000. Just wait a minute. $65,000.
$65,000.
So when he comes back from accounts, he will now pay you guys back the monies you guys gave him.
Nena legi su dele accounts bobu la def fay xaalis bi nga xamne bobu nga ko jox.
All the monies you guys have spent on hiring these septic tanks.
Wala xaalis bi nga xamne da ngeen ko defas pour luwaase ay 50 tanks tankay.
No, 60,000.
I'm not saying that amount.
Okay.
For one individual. For the market masters that will either give him money
then I market masters or
claim that they have spent money to hire septic tank. You understand?
Yes,
You understand?
I understand.
Yes.
But how do you justify these monies?
You don't have
records for this money. You don't work for procurement. You don't work for the in the finance department. You have no right to be spending money. Who authorized you to be doing pre-financing?
My manager.
My manager.
Where is the authority?
Authority.
That
is the authority I see because whatever I
your manager does not even have the authority to spend money.
Wow, manager
that is
right
true.
Manager right yes. Why condition so
yes, that is true. The manager that is true. The manager himself
okay.
Yes, it's true. The manager himself does not have the right to spend monies or even instruct us to spend monies. But it depends the condition it finds us because really the sockways are flooded. This is why.
So you knew the manager had no authority to
manager
you knew this.
Yes.
And you were still spending money.
Are you
the owner of the area council?
No.
No.
Did you employ yourself?
No.
No.
Do you pay yourself?
No.
No.
Is the market your personal private property?
No.
No.
Is that your home?
No.
Is it your house?
No.
So what gives you the right to think that you can finance?
That is true because something yes, I knew sometimes it happens that something that you will never know, but I knew it now. But the reason why we are doing it, definitely we don't want the sockways to be flooding inside.
That's not true.
None of you
care about the people that work in the market. That's not true. It's not true. You know why? Because if it was true, you could have raised this problem in the right manner. And it will be addressed permanently. But no,
why did it?
You wouldn't do that. You will be solving the problem by yourself. So that because it's an avenue to make money. You don't account for how much you spend. You don't take any notes. So if you say that you have spent $10,000 is to hire a septic tank. How can that be verified?
Receipt bank manager.
The receipt is with the manager.
Can you not cook up any receipt?
Then
It's a possibility. That is why you shouldn't do it. That is why everyone will will just use the system to enrich themselves.
You
talk about emergency. The law provides for emergency expenditure. The financial manual. Page 19. Section 306.
Section 306.
It says monetary thresholds in emergency cases.
Emergency cases.
And you don't have that authority. Like you said. It says the monetary threshold approved by each council shall be strictly followed by the chief executive. Except in emergency situations in which payments cannot be delayed for due consultation with either the chairman
waste time
that it cannot be delayed because you have to have a consultation with the chairman
because of consultation
or the mayor. The reason for such emergency payment shall be made in writing. By the chief executive. Not even you. And it's attached to the payment voucher. That is the process. You have no authority to do what.
That is true.
All your expenditures were unlawful. They were illegal. Do you understand? And lastly, all the approvals subsequently, even to claim for refund, all the way to the CEO, they are all unlawful. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do hear you. Yes,
I am not telling you what you don't know. I am not teaching you anything new. I am telling you it was a fraudulent scheme. Don't sit here and pretend as if I am here. You are hearing something for the first time. You yourself told the commission that you had no right to spend the money.
Yes.
And your manager had no right to spend the money. So if you have done that, it's a deliberate act. And it's fraudulent. That is why I said your other evidence cannot be believed. Because your actions are deliberate. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Madam Chair, that's all for the witness for now. We will call the witness back in relation to the CRBR when we call the Finance Department to produce the CRBR to verify this information.
Yeah. Mr. Job, thank you so much. And we will call you back, we will give you notice when we receive all the documents. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Very well.
You are discharged.
Okay then.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Good afternoon. Yeah, can you face that camera? Make sure you speak into the mic. Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters. Mr. Witness, what is your religion? Can you speak into the mic so that everybody can hear? No, I'm not asking what tribe, what religion. What is your religion?
I'm a Muslim.
Okay. In which language do you wish to make your testimony? Wolof. Speak into the mic, please, Mr. Witness. Can you look at me? Can you look at me?
Yeah.
You see, I'm holding the mic close to my mouth, and everybody can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you do the same?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Okay. Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
No, I just want to use my hand.
Okay, you want to make an affirmation?
Yeah.
Okay, Madam Chair, the witness wishes to make an affirmation. Okay, then use your right hand, raise your right hand into the air and then repeat after me.
Yeah.
I, Chernombalo, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare, and affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mbalo.
Good afternoon.
You are welcome.
Jerry.
Council, can we please proceed?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. The Assistant Council will lead the witness with the permission of the chairperson.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Mr. Witness, could you please tell the Commission your names?
All of Lailaka. All of Lailaka.
Okay.
Man to the Chernombalo.
Chernombalo are my names.
My stay Latrikunda Saviji.
And residing at Latrikunda Savigi.
That's fine. How long have you been working for Kanifing Municipal Council?
Kanifing Municipal Council.
Council Mangfador 1990.
1990, I started working at the KMC.
Wow, 1990, 1 year volunteer by 1991.
I first been a volunteer for 1 year.
Then 1991, Silema appointed.
Then I was appointed in the year 1991
as a as a car park collector.
As a car park collector.
That's fine. Do you have your appointment letter with you?
No, I'm going appointment letter. I hope I have it here with me.
Were you confirmed?
That's not confirmation.
Wow.
Yes, I do.
In 2018, what position did you have?
At 2018,
2018, market master.
I was a market master.
Now, do you have your promotion letter as a market master?
As a promotion letter, market master.
No, 1998, as a market master. Promote.
I was promoted in 1998 as a market master.
Wow. So, Boba John promotion letter. Market master.
But at the time, by then, I was not issued with any promotion letter to show that I am now a market master.
Wow. Then okay.
I was communicated that today you are going to the market.
Yeah, for Elif.
To the car park, and you are going to be the leader or somebody taking care of it.
Wow. So no
that is how I was there.
Up to date, you were not issued any promotional letter, right?
Then I come promotion letter.
Promotion letter.
That's fine.
No, I don't think that I have ever seen it.
Okay, that's okay. Kindly give Mr. Mbalo,
Mr. Mbalo?
No.
since you joined the council in 1990,
Nena binga demesi council wala binga boke simbiri council since 1990.
the offer letter was issued to you in 2002.
Nena offer bi moy jox nañ ko dañ la ko joxon in 2002.
Man, understand, no,
I don't understand.
You said you joined the council in 1990.
Nena yaw 1990 nga join nga demon si council.
Wow.
Yes.
But at that time you were a volunteer.
Nena way wax nga fa def nga fa at volunteer.
Wow, 1 year.
Yes.
So you've been volunteering from 1990 to 2002. That's when you were offered an appointment.
Nena kon lu mu wone moy joge ko 1990 be 2002 bobu lañ la offer appointment wala bobu lañ la jox appointment moy jël nañ la.
No, buñ ma appoint boobu 1991 la.
It was 1991 that I was appointed.
Because the offer of appointment letter that I'm having here is dated 2002. That's why I want to confirm with you.
Nena so gisee moy lettre pour leral kat bi ko jox bi nga xamne yow sa bopp wax nga ne bobu moy sa appointment letter lu mu wone bes bu mu wone at bu mu wone moy 2002.
No, man 2002 joxuñ ma lifin boobu man.
Waxal ci kaw.
1991 lañ ma jox suma appointment letter ak confirmation bi.
I was issued with this appointment letter in the year 1991 together with the confirmation in the same year.
You were appointed in the same year and confirmed in the same year.
Bena at buñ la appoint bena at bobu lañ la confirm. Si bena at bobu la.
Si bena at bi.
Buñ la jël liggéey ñu jox appointment bena at bobu lañ la jox confirmation. Waaw bëgg nga leral ko.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm hearing that for the first time. If you're offered an appointment, a year later you should be confirmed. It can be the subsequent, but usually a year later, that's when you're confirmed.
Nena mo ko soga dega because yep lu ñu xam wala ñun ñep lu ñu xam moy suñu la jëlé at bi duñ la jox confirmation at bi next year lañ la wara jox confirmation nena wa mo ko soga dega
wa xel na mun na am.
Yeah, it may be possible.
Okay. The appointment letter dated May 21st, 2002, offered to the witness, Mr. Chernombalo, signed by the CEO, copied the Mayor, Director of Finance, Markets Manager, and Director of Internal Audit and IT Manager. And the confirmation letter dated 21st of August, 2020, addressed to Mr. Chernombalo, copied signed by the Human Resources Manager, Mr. Demboja, copied Mayor, Director of Finance and Internal Audit. I apply to tender the two letters into evidence as an exhibit.
Dena legi am ñu def moy sa ñaari letter bobu appointment letter confirmation bi legi dañ ko duggal ci commission bi mu nekk serene fofu de nga.
Okay.
Very well.
Mr. Mbalo, the confirmation letter issued to you on August 21st, 2020 is addressed to Embassy of England, 48 Atlantic Road, Fajara, the Gambia. How?
So said confirmation mi nga xamne wax nga ne yaw lañ ko bindé. Néna bobu nga xamne def nañ ko August 2020. Le adresse bu fa nekk moy the address please.
Sorry, Embassy of England, 48 Atlantic Road, Fajara, the Gambia.
Embassy of England, 48
Atlantic Road. Sorry, Fajara.
Fajara. Nena bobu moy address bi fa nekk fofu lañ ko adressé.
Fofu lañ adressé lan.
Sa confirmation letter.
Confirmation bi.
Wow.
And it says, and I'm even seeing leave, but not that you want to visit the finance in the Costa United Kingdom. This is not a confirmation of appointment. That's what
a confirmation of appointment. Leave mu ngi wone lenen ne da nga buga am leave do nga dem.
Wow, ma seet.
Okay, why nekkul confirmation? Let me see.
Xëy ma bàyyi ko si gannaaw kon.
Oh, I don't understand. Maybe I left it at home.
No. Yeah, no ko bàyyi gannaaw bii du moom waaw.
Yeah, you are right. This is not very confirmation. I think I left it at home.
Madam Chair, we then have the offer letter of appointment tendered instead. Mr. Mbalo, when you were appointed in 1990, you were appointed as what?
Nena buñ la appointed as in the year 1990. Nena lan lañ la appointed pour lan moy sa liggéey jamono bobu.
1990 bi ma jëlé car park la nekkon.
I was at the car park.
Volunteer 1 year.
But as I said, I was a volunteer at the time for 1 year.
Then after 1 year,
then from that 1 year.
Can you kindly speak a little louder into the mic?
Then after 1 year,
after 1 year,
confirm.
I was confirmed.
Then appointment letter. One man I'm a staff last council.
And I was issued with an appointment letter showing that now I am involved. I am a staff at council.
Now, do you have that appointment letter?
And that appointment
this is as market master, and it was in 2002. So the first one you received, where is that one?
Nenali market master la, market master 2002. Nena while we like 1991 binga waxe ne bobu lañ la jël liggéey ana letter bu ñu la won ne légui jël nañ la bobu la mo laajte nena bobu bokut ak bi dafa melni promotion la 2002 pour nga nekk market master.
If you don't have it, we can the commission will give you time to go back to your personal files at the council and check it and then bring it. But there should be an appointment letter in 1991, like you clearly stated that they issued. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can go and check.
Letter bobu neew sa loxo fim ne ni mun nañ la jox waxtu nga delo ci council nga dal diko ut ba gis ko nga dal diko isi.
Wow,
we will have this tendered as an offer of appointment as a market master for 2002 instead.
Pour gatal wax bi moy bi dañ ko duggal ci moy ci commission bi mu nekk serande waye ñu koy tuddé moy comme mon pour gatal wax bi rek moy promotion pour won la né légui fum né ni duggal nañ la ci market master.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Now, Madam Chair, we apply to tender the offer of appointment as a market master of the witness, Mr. Cherno Mbalo, dated May 21st, 2002, into evidence as an exhibit.
A letter dated the 21st of May 2002 with reference KMC/ADM/067. The letter is from Kanifing Municipal Council. It is addressed to Mr. Chernombalo Latrikunda Sabiji KMC, and the subject of the letter is offer of appointment. The letter is signed by Demboja for Chief Executive Officer, and it is copied to the Mayor, KMC, the Director of Finance, Market Manager, Director of Internal Audit, and IT Manager. The letter is admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/CM/KMC/001.
As the Commission places. Mr. Mbalo, as a market master, what is your role?
Nena legi zone ke market master lan moy sa warogal lan moy sa ligi.
Wow, bimane ke market master.
When I was a market master,
dama make sure ne suma ñëwé liggéey ci suma liggéey kay.
I make sure that whenever I reported at my working place,
xalé yu nekk suma ron,
the people who are my juniors,
dama make sure ne ndax ñëpp ñëw nañ.
First of all, I will make sure that whether all of them are present.
Su ñëpp ñëwé.
Well, if that happened,
wow, so till because dafa am supply bu ma dee jël KMC.
Because I do have a supply that I used to receive from the council KMC.
Wow, su ma ko jëlee.
Whenever I take that supply,
ma dem si marché bi.
I do go to the market.
Dama am suma Acquire book.
I have my Acquire book.
Fi ma bind records.
Where I used to enter my records.
Suma tickets yu ma jox.
The tickets that are issued to me
yooyu la record foofu noonu.
are the ones I entered in that said book.
Kon numa nuñ ma ko joxee si council bi.
As how it was given to me at council.
Wow, so
yes.
Now, when you go to council to take this GTR books,
léegi soo demee si council pour jël supply boobu mooy GTR books yi nga wax.
du GTR ak tickets, market tickets do benn.
I want to make it clear that the GTR and the market tickets are different.
Okay, that's fine. So how many market tickets will you normally take from council, and who do you take these tickets from?
Nena kon ticket yooyu nga wax ne ticket marché soo ko jëlee ñaata nga dee jot si ticket yooyu ak si loxo kan nga ko dee jot.
Suma demee accounts laa dee dem.
I do go to the accounts.
Ndig ñoom ñoo dee joxe tickets.
They are the one issuing tickets.
Wow, suñ ma ko joxee nag.
Whenever they are issued to me,
then ma sign.
I do sign.
Pour wane ne jël na supply bu ma soxla.
To assure that I have received the supply that I needed.
Who in accounts do you take this market tickets from?
Kan account moo la dee jot ticket yooyu.
Kooku mu fa council.
He's there, one council.
Moom ñu dee jox suñ supply ñun yëpp.
He's the one who used to supply us, all of us.
All of you, as in all market masters?
Wow, ñun market masters. Yes, we dee jëlee tickets.
As the market masters, from him we do collect our tickets.
Council what?
Council naka?
Do you know his surname?
Ba xam nga santam bi?
Santa bi escape na ma nag.
The surname, unfortunate, it escaped.
My escape, wow.
Do you know what position he held?
Nena ba xam nga lan mooy place moo la moom position la amee.
Definitely xaw ma.
No, definitely.
But he's at the accounts department.
Now, why is the account department la boka? That's correct.
That's fine. How many revenue collectors do you have under your supervision?
Nena yow sa gini mo sa revenue collectors nga am na yung si Saron. Mo na ñaata la si ñoom? When I was at Latrikunda,
8 collectors.
I have 8 junior collectors.
Okay, now let's take it from 2018.
Nena legi ñu door ko si 2018.
Which market were you at?
Pan marché nga nekkoon? I was at marché Ngelew.
And how many collectors do you have under you?
Nena ñaata collectors nga amoon sa ron foofa?
Almost about 6 collectors because marché bi reyut.
I do have 6 collectors due to the size of the market. It wasn't a big one.
Okay. From 2018 to date, how many markets were you moved to?
Nena joge ko 2018 bente bu ñoy wax ne ñaata marché la nga jaar? That is many.
So they've been moving you how many times in a year? Or
Nena kon dañ la won di toxal ñaata yoon?
1 year, second year bi.
you go to the next.
1 year, second year, then you are transferred to another one.
Every 2 years, Lada. Every 2 years.
Every 2 years, yes. To be precise, every 2 years you are moved to another one.
Then from 2018 to 2023, at least you are moved 2 or 3 times.
Then I joke for 2018 to 2023. The family come sisa wabi. So ko say dañ la transfer ñetti yoon.
Okay, now when you
2018
to 2023.
2023.
Yes.
Wow.
It's many.
Now, when you go to this office, to this Mr. Kausu to get the ticket books, what sort of ticket books were you collecting from Mr. Kausu, since you said it's not GTR?
Nena commerce order basi Kausu kinga to delfine mo la day jox books si account. Nena legi dafa bëgg nga leral ko ban façon ticket nga day jot ci mom parce que wax nga ne negul na GTR.
Market tickets.
That's the market tickets.
Wow.
And that's the payment for how much?
Nena ticket yo ñaata la day jar wala ñaata la soko joxe ñaata la lay fay bi ñaata la?
Wow, comme ticket si bulk mo fa nek 10 mo fa nek 10 piece of ticket market ticket 10 mo fa nek so they go wrapped.
Normally a packet is 10 of the tickets but it's wrapped.
By bena ticket bi comme lay nga jël bena ticket bu nek $10 nga wara fay.
But those tickets are amount, each of the ticket is for a $10.
Okay, that's fine. So, sorry, go on, please.
Each of the ticket is amount to $10
okay.
per ticket.
Yes. Now, when you go to Mr. Kausu again, upon receiving this ticket books, as you call them, do you sign for the amount of tickets you receive from Mr. Kausu?
So the basic Kausu pour mu jox la ticket, su la joxe ticket ba pare nee na yow lan nga def na dang de sign pour wone ne waaw jot na ticket wa nangam ticket la am si Kausu.
Fofu mom musu fa jël ticket te do sign da nga sign.
Yes.
Mom fa bala mu la jox ticket si daf ko tek ci table am bi mu won la ñaata ticket la jox ba pare nga sign.
Yes.
Mu gis ne sign nga ba pare.
Yes.
You tam nga confirm ticket yi la jox nga jël ticket bi then nga gëna.
Yes, that is obvious. Whenever you are to be issued tickets, the tickets will be placed on the table for you to confirm how many tickets is issued to you. But before handing or laying your hand on them, you need to sign.
That's fine. And have you been keeping records of the tickets you were giving to the collectors that work under you?
Nena yaw legi so demé nga dal di génné ticket yoy pour joxé ko sa liggéey kay wala sa liggéey kat yi ñu nekk sa ron nena nda ta ko tamit dang ko dé bind.
Comme lima wax rek suma jëlé suma supply ci council bi.
As I said, whenever I receive my supply from council,
amount of tickets the
amount of tickets that I needed, if I got them and I went back to the market,
then the small choir book tickets. I
have, as I said earlier on, I got my own acquire book where I do enter them. If I do that after all,
then book
book bi amna benen book tamit bo xamne fofu la day enter tickets ci pour gaay di liggéey.
Then I have another book different from the acquire book where I used to enter the tickets that I used to give them for them to use to work with.
Okay, before I move further, Mr. Mbalo, what's your level of education?
Nena legi bala ñu continuer dañ bëgg xam sa janga bi fan la door ak fan la
Deja nak man Basela jangé.
Truly speaking, I was educated at Basi.
Wow, Basi dama commencé ci suma primary school Koba Kunda school.
I started at Koba Kunda primary school.
Then my jël suma examination.
After sitting my examination,
then unfortunately munum pass mark bi. Average la amon wa almost pass mark.
I got the average, but I could not get the pass mark. As I said.
Then secondary school.
Then from there I went to secondary 4.
Wow. Fofula jekale suma secondary school certificate.
That is my education.
That's fine. Then I believe you can read and all right.
Of course.
Then pen and paper.
Wow.
Yes,
okay.
I do.
Do you remember making a statement with the investigators of this commission?
Wow.
Yes, I do.
Now the registrar will give you your statement. You can go through it and confirm the contents of it.
Then ki honorable registrar ki nga gis ni mom jox na la letter legi yow sa bopam nga set letter bo nda bo moy sa cadeau nga amne joxe nga ko fi as statement.
Is that the statement you made?
Then nga ko rañe nda bobu la. Yes, this is
and
the
you
statement.
confirm the contents to be the same that you gave?
Then cadeau fa nek dal nda set nga len bu ba ne yow sa cadeau nga amne yow sa bopa ya ko joxe. Yes, this is the very statement. These are all the contents are all mine.
Okay, haven't been confirmed by the witness, Madam Chair. We apply to tender the statement of the witness, Mr. Chair Nambalo, dated 10 June 2024 into evidence as an exhibit.
Legi amul lu ñoy def lu dul pour dugal ko ci commission bi mu nekk serende pour.
Inshallah.
Very well.
The witness statement dated the 10th of June 2024 is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/CM/KMC/002.
As the commission pleases. Mr. Mbalo, now, do you have your 2018 cash book with you?
No, 2018 cash book.
2018. No, almost 2018 B, almost 2019 B.
No, I am without 2018 cash book and 2019 cash book.
2022 B,
and the cash book for the year 2022, I did not have it. But apart from that, I have the other ones.
So you did not have them at all, or you did not have them here with you?
But I mean, I'm not with them here.
But you own one. You were keeping one.
No, lu mean moy 2018 be 2020 yi nga xamne dafa manqué amna fi ko am yang ko am fenen wala musulo ko am lolu la bugal yes, it's with the council. I got them.
Yes, that's the question I'm asking. If you say I did not have it, that's why I'm asking. You didn't have it here, or you did not have it at all, as in you never have it?
Fofu nga bugal nga leral li motax mu laaj taat lel ko so ne awma ko ak anduma mom li nga xamne dafa outé bokut. I'm sorry for that.
That's fine. So now, and the other records that you said you've been keeping whilst issuing these receipt books to the collectors under you, do you have those books as well?
Tamit fi amna li nga wax de neena ci marché bi ci bopam yow dang fa am ñaari book fi nga xamne receipt nga de jot fi ko de dugal ne jot nga na receipt nga jot wala ticket ko lañ ko waxe ak fi nga xamne ticket yi nga xamne dang ko doy jox sa junior si moy ñi nga xamne ñoo nekk saron amna tamit fi ko dé binda neena bu yoyu nda ya nga anda ñu mo la bet
no
amewumako amewuloko
You did not have it here, but you have it because you stated here that you've been keeping records of.
neena fi pour watan fi amna noy démé so ne awma ko moy musloko am waye anduma mom légui mu la laajte nda anda nga bu yoyu wala musloko am
musna ko am kay li xew moy
yes, I do have them, but what happened is that
record books ni
all these record books
funde enter some tickets bu jox
and where we used to record the tickets for the juniors,
yeah you senior every 2 years buñ fa dé nek ci marché bi
for that every 2 years, as I said, when you are just posted at a market,
fofu lañ ko dé bay duñ ko dé yobbu
whenever moving, you don't go along with them, you leave them there.
fa lañ ko dé bay
We used to leave them there.
wow
In whose custody do you leave these books or records?
Nena si loho kan wala si kan nga de ngeen de bay records yoyu wala books yoyu.
Comme like su fekkee ne comme at bi ni jeena
It happens whenever the year elapses.
xam nga su transfer génne ñu ne kon at bi jeena
Whenever
next year am na keneen ku ma replace ma ngi dem si beneen marché
whenever you are written to say that you are going to be transferred now, then the person taking over is the one you leave the book and you
fala de buy books yeb
you leave all those books there.
Ma buy ko fofu nonu ma ne ko mum fi man ko fe buy
You leave them there and go.
then ma dem si beneen marché
I go to another market.
So if I understand, you hand it over to the market master that will take over.
Nena promo le dafa melni li nga wax ni moy kuy ñew pour remplacer la ko nga day bay book lu
dama day buy books yu fofu non pour mon tamit su am
loolu la mo bëgg leral nena so ne dama ko day bay fofu nda ci table bi nda ci ron table bi legi la la nda ko ñew pour remplacer la book yoy ci mom ci lo xam bi nga ko day bay
dama comme su ñëwé ne dama ko hand over books won ke ne books.
Yes, I do hand over the books to you.
Exactly. Yes. I'm asking as in you hand over.
Nena li mota mo di bena card bi la rek comme legi da ko hand over ku nga am ne mo la remplacer.
Dundé demande dara so ay dem ci benen marché do dé demande dara fofu.
Whenever you are transferred to another market, you don't move with anything.
Li nga amone ci marché bi fofu non
what you had in that market that is left there.
Perfect. Since you are working on it, it's your records, you are moving, you do the handing over, it still form part of the records that you were keeping. Now we ask you to provide that records book as well.
Nena legi lu ñoy def wala lu war lu ñu bëgg fi moy comme sa books la yi nga xamne bi nga fa nekkon yow ya fa di bind wala ya fa di record nena legi lu ñu bëgg moy book yoyu lañ ko soxla pour nga isi ñu ko ñu dal di ko set.
And were you keeping a market register?
Nena am nga won market register.
Market register come like
Nena lolu what register you are talking about?
Every market master are to be keeping market register.
Nena market master bo gis dañ ko jox book bu nga xamne bobu moy market register.
That's where you can have probably the number of market, the ones in areas, or it's more or less like the assessment of the entire place, since you are the market master for a particular zone or section of a market.
Fofu because lu mo ne so dege market master moy yow yaay njit bi fofu si collector si. So da nga gis ne register bu moy wax ni moy lo xamne lepp dox na si marché bi wala si liggéey bi fofu nga ko dé enter fofu nga ko dé recorder.
Waaw comme
ñoo xamne fé nañ ak ñi nga xamne ñu ngi leen amé bor.
Waaw bu market register bo nonu bi mo wax nonu ak bu déli bi bo dé ko ben market register moy cantine si nga xamne mu ci marché bi te cantine si dafa am ñaari fana mu am temporal cantine be am structural cantine.
Yes, for that the register you are asking now I understand, but it depends. It's a different thing because when you are a daily collector or a daily market master, you are not issued with a register. Only those who are taking care of the cantings, that is temporal cantings or structures, They are the very person who used to have the registration or register.
Yeah.
Thank you for the clarification.
So let me just ask him this question. So as market master, do you keep a register?
Nena market master, ndanang de ame register.
Market master.
Yes.
Anga dafa depend.
No, I ask you a question.
Nena
As
dafa
market
like
master,
market master.
do
Ndanang de ame
you
register.
keep a register? We understand the different markets that are there.
No, understand.
We understand there are market masters that are responsible for dailies. There are market masters that are responsible for canteens, etc. We understand that. I am asking you a specific question. As a market master, you, Mr. Chernombalo, do you keep a register?
Nena legi pour yow la yow sa bop la yow laajte yow Chernombalo comme nekk nga market master nena ba am nga won register.
Wow. Man. Wow.
Yes.
Did you keep one?
Wow.
Okay, now we are requesting that you produce the said register.
Nena legi lu buga ci yow moy pour nga isi ñu market register bobu.
Li ma mean si market register boobu noonu.
What I mean,
man dama daan collect both daily ak canteens yëpp dama ko daan collect.
Because I was doing both collecting canteens and market daily collection.
Bi ma nekkee marché Ngelaw.
When I was at marché Ngelaw.
Man maa maanoon marché bu fa nekk.
I was the one mounting that market.
Latrikunda Yiringaña.
And Latrikunda Yiringaña.
Then nga am Manjai.
Then lastly Manjai.
My canteens moom maa leen amee woon.
All those canteens were overseen by me.
While maa ngi amee tamit ticket daily bi.
And while I was to having daily tickets.
Wow, so lii moo tax may la market register bi boobu maa ngi ko amee lu dëgg la
This is why I said
because loolu la dama si doon dama si am responsibility side boobu tamit.
That I am with market register because it was my responsibility too.
Yes, Mr. Mbalo, thank you for clarifying for us so that we can
because that
but kindly provide the register by Monday. Council, you may proceed.
Thank you.
Wow.
You want to say something?
Yeah.
Go on.
Waaw dama doon laajte kantin bu noonu ndax bi nekk si marché bi ma nekk marché Ngelaw si laa war a isi that register ndax lan.
I want to be clear whether it is the registration of only marché Ngelaw market.
Now we are looking at our terms of reference are 2018 to 2023. Now you check 2018 which market you were and you produce the register. 2019 where you were, you produce the register. 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023.
Then I feel pour gatalwa bi moy joge ko 2018 in suñu liggéey foofu la dooree léegi jóge ko 2018 ba 2023 nee na register yooyu lañu soxla market boo munta nekka wala marché boo munta nekka waaw nga def katan sa katan nga isi ñu register boobu.
Wow.
Do you understand?
nee na leer na.
Wow, leer na.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Mbala, now can we please have the cash books you're having? Mr. Mbalo? Mr. Mbalo?
No.
Thank you. I noticed that you've not been writing the documents you're asked to produce. How are you taking note of these?
Nena lumu kesi wala muye moy amna lo xamne luñ la day laajte fi do ko day binda kon naka nga mëna fatale ko yene li ak li lañ laajte.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Mbalo, you have 3 books for 2020 and 1 book for 2021.
Nena am nga ñetti book pour 2020 ak ben 2021.
Is that correct?
Nena
3 books for 2020.
Nena ñetti book pour ati 2020.
Wow.
Yes.
1 book for 2021.
Nena ben book pour 2021.
Wow.
Yes.
Now 2020, 2018, 2019, 2020 and early 2023, that's what you did not provide.
Nena legi 2018, 2019 ak early 2023 nena yoyu issue loko fi de wala wona loko.
Again 2018, 2019, 2022,
2022
and 2023.
and 2023 nena yoyu
4 books
nena
are not
ñeneen
here.
book la yi nga xamne fekke wuñ wala ñew issue len.
Mooy li ma wax 2023 bi boo man ko bàyyi si gars yi fii nii.
For the year 2023 I left it with the guys here.
With the investigators.
Investigators. Wow.
Then 2018, 2019, and 2022 are the ones with the council.
Nena 2018, 2019, 2022 one nega sila council.
Wow.
Yes.
Where at the council?
Nena fancy council. KMC.
I understand which department at
Nena
KMC, because we
department
need
KMC.
to verify.
Colonel Muller. Audit.
Yes, Mr. Mbalo, I may know the answer, but I need it to come from you. So if I'm asking you the question, don't assume that I know, and it needs to come from me.
Nena
It needs to come from you.
Munna ham tontu bi lum lay laajte waaye ba léegi dafa mu laajte la yow sa bopp nga tontu boobu nit ñi yëpp yëg ko ne yow yaa ko wax.
Mooy dëgg.
That's the truth.
Because I don't want you to say I did not say that.
Nena because pour ëllëg ak si biir pour nga taxaw nga ne déedéet man wax ma ko moo
Non, bu ko gisee
And if you say it's that audit is with Mr. A or B, he will have to come here, or she will have to come here. We will ask to ask.
So ne mu ngi si audit kale moo ko amee wala kii moo ko amee kooku dañ ko mu ñëw leeral ñu ndaa loolu la wala déet.
And they need to produce the book.
Nena te foog ñu génnee book yooyu.
So that is why I'm asking, so that you can be specific as to where and with who.
Nena lii moo tax mu la laajte pour nga leeral ñu fan la ak kan moo ko amee.
Comme li nga wax kay yëpp dëgg la.
Yes, audit department. Who?
Audit department la case bu si nekk.
Yeah, they are with the custody of the audit.
Ba pare Basiru moom moo leen amee.
And it is under the hands or the custody of Basiru.
Mr. Mbalo, do you want the commission to give you time to get this 4 audit reports from the audit department?
Danga buga pro commission bi jox la waxtu pour nga mëna produce wala ici books yoy nga xamné mo ngi ci audit department.
Fii jéegale ma fii fu ma mën a waxee fii nii am dis cash books yi nga gis nii ñun lépp képp koo xam ne market master la si council bi danga am sa cash.
What I clear is that is these books.
No, Mr. Mbalo, I just made a statement. I said, maybe you did not get my statement. I said, do you want the commission to give you time to get the cash books, or do you have a difficulty or challenge in getting the cash books? So that we find out. That is what the council is trying to get at. Wants to find out where the cash books are. So if you have a challenge in getting the cash books, we can get the person concerned to come here and get us the cash books. But if you don't have a challenge, we can just give you time to collect them and bring them to the commission. Is it clear?
Su fekkee ne moon nga isi books amoo benn xaro wala amoo benn difficulté si loolu nañ la jox waxtu nga dem ut fu mu nekk wala si ki mu nekk nga jëli ko isi ko fii waa su fekkee ne pour jot book yooyu noonu si sa loxo dafa nekk loo xam ne téye bu mag la comme ba léegi comme wax nga si kan la nekk ñun mun nañ topp ko ba mun a jot ne wala ñu oo ko fii mu leeral ñu book yooyu fan la nekk.
Dégg naa li mu wax nga cash books yi nii cash books nga gis nii.
These cash books in front of us.
Would you be able to get them on your own? Or they are at the audit department and you cannot access it?
Munna dem fofu no why the person responsible ni nga xam ne day ñoo responsible cash books yi noonu ñoom xam nañ fan la cash bi nekk.
Yes, I can be able to go there, but those who have the custody of those books, they know better where those books are.
Ni cash books ni man ma dem si store bi génne si ma ko sombo ma dugg si biir store bi ak ponde boobu noonu yëpp ma say.
Thank you.
Ma say lu ko gis lii.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mbalo. Council, you may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Mbalo. Now, Madam Chair, we apply to tender 4 cash books from the witness, Mr. Chair Mbalo, 3 for year 2020 and 1 for year 2021 into evidence as an exhibit.
Registrar, can you please? Witness, Mr. Chernombalo maintains cash books, and these cash books are 4 in number, 3 covering the period of 2020 and 1 is covering the period 2021. These cash books are all admitted together as exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KM/CM/KMC/003.
As the Commission pleases. Mr. Mbalo, do you still collect revenue? You, as a market master, do you still collect revenue?
Then I believe you are market master, and I also go back to them DJ Lempo, Siloni.
Man neka market master Serakunda fi fu neka ni fala neka.
Lu may laajte mooy.
Mr. Mbalo, most of my questions, you can say it's mostly a yes or no answer. Do you still collect? It's either a yes or no, then you can add an explanation.
Yes.
Thank you, please.
Yes.
Let's keep it that way.
Okay.
Do you still collect revenue as a market master?
Yeah.
And that was since 2018 up to date?
Yeah.
And I go for 2018 billion, you are supposed to have them DJ Lempo, Siloni. Wow. I don't go to collect personally by myself. No.
Man bima joge Latrikunda
when I left Latrikunda Sabigi,
then canteen collector on Fufunu.
I was a canteen collector there.
I
wasn't a daily collector, but it was a canteen collector.
Then from there, January, market.
Then from there, this month of January is the time I transferred to Serekunda market.
As a market collector.
As a market collector.
As a market master.
As a market master.
And when you were a daily collector from 2018?
Council, I believe before we get into a new question, this is a convenient point because it's past 4. We can adjourn till Monday.
That's fine.
Thank you, Mr. Mbalo. We would be adjourning till Monday, so we will see you on Monday.
And
thank you so much for coming. We may rise.
Just look what is going on here! This is amazing! It's the first time we see Masha playing, and it's getting tense on the field. Look at the opponent's defense lining up. Yes, this will be a tough goal to make. You can't just pass this defense. Here it goes, and... Goal! That's the kick!